Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the old school box. You got the circle. You got the jump man on the top. Around the sides is pretty plain. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see there. Swinging it around one more time. There's nothing to see there either. So what we have today is the Air Jordan 13 in white, true red, and black. This is also known as the He Got Games. So let's go ahead and see what this is about, man. Now, opening the box, you got the white paper. That's not what we're here to see, man. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 13 Retro He Got Games. Now, this is a iconic shoe. More than sure everybody already then peeped out a few early reviews. But that's neither here nor there, man. Now, looking at the medial side, see you got the nice tumbled leather, you got the black suede. Classic shoe, man. Here it is on the back. I mean, it's not really too much that I can say about the shoe, man. You know, it's just one of those iconic pieces, man. I don't need an explanation, man. You know, but these originally released in what it was, I believe 97, I believe it was, if I'm not mistaken. You know, and that was the only pair of Air Jordan 13s that released that year. You know, so go figure with that. But they wind up coming back out in what, 98, I believe. Then in 2008, then again in 2013. So a few years later, 2018, here it is, we get them again. So let me know in the comments, man, how you feeling about them. You liking them? You took a L, you passed, you still got your others in great shape? Let me know what's up. But like I said, man, I think it's a dope shoe. Not really too much to say. Now, these got the He Got Game reference from Jake Shuttleworth. You know, when Denzel played him and played Ray Allen's daddy in the movie. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. Here's a look at that tumbled leather on the toe box. Now, I noticed that the tumbled leather on these are a little bit more pronounced. If that's making any sense to y'all, man. It's like it's a little bit of a deeper cut on the inside of that tumbled leather, man. Here it is, a look at the tongue. Got the tumbled leather with the red jump, man. That's a better look at the suede on the side, the carbon fiber under the bottom. I mean, it's dope, man. It's not really too much I could say, like I didn't say before. Oh, matter of fact, let me show y'all a difference between this pair and the 2013 pair, right? So first off, the box is totally different. Okay, so here's the box from the 2013 pair. So you got the black box, you big old jump man across the top of it. Now let's see if we can find some differences between the shoes, man. Like I say, we're gonna try to find them, man. And if you can see something, or if I miss something, you know, y'all let me know in the comments, man. But let me get that one out the way. Now let's see. Now you might not be able to see anything. Now what I notice is the differences are very small. Now, one thing that I see is the difference in the tumbled leather on the toe. Now, this one on the left, or this one on the right, is the older pair. The one on the left is the new pair that just released. Now, you can see the tumbled leather on the toe. That's what I meant by it's a little more pronounced. See, you can see it on the newer pair a little bit better to me. Now, I don't know if this is because the other shoe is older or what, but I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. I mean, other than that, everything else is pretty straight. Now on the back, I'm seeing you got it's a little fatter in the back. If you can see that where the suede is, You can see on the older pair, which is the one on the right now since I turned it around. The older pair is on the right. You can see that suede on the back. You see how it's a little thicker than on the new pair. But it is what it is, man. It's not no big deal. You know, I'm just trying to see some differences. Well, let's see what else, if we can see anything else. I don't see a difference between the tongues. You can see the Tumbled Leather, red jump, man. You know, but you can see the leather is a little bit more pronounced again on the shoe. Like I said, look, I switched them around, so this is the new pair on the left. The left foot is the new pair, the 2018 pair. So, I mean, y'all go ahead, man. You check them out. Let me know what you think. If you see something that I didn't see. Oh, yeah. Here's another one I saw. Now, on the top right here, you see that's the new pair. The red under the bottom is a light brighter. Now, I flipped it around. It's the new pair on the bottom. But it's a lot brighter. Maybe that's from aging or whatever. I don't know. Whatever the case is. But I just noticed that difference so far. So, you know, like I said, I see the toe box, the depth of the quality leather, and the different shade of red under the bottom. And like I say, that might be from just aging or whatever, but that's the differences I noticed so far. Oh, and the thickness of the suede part on the back. You know what I mean? So, like, if you noticed anything else, man, y'all let me know in the comments, man. And let me know if I missed something, man. But that was my look at the 2018 Air Jordan 13 Retro He Got Game. You know, follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to the channel because we're going to keep on dropping videos. Now let's get into the on foot. I'ma holla back.